Hi everyone, my name is Sadek Shaikh. Welcome to my course Working with Java Data Types and String APIs for the Java SE Developer Certification Exam IZO 819. The course is not just limited to the certification exam, but we are going to do some good practical sessions too. I am a software engineer who's been working with the Java programming language since past few years. Java 11 is the most popular programming language today, and development teams all over the world have been adopting Java 11 for new development. Certifying that you know Java 11 is critical to the success of any Java developer. In this course, we are going to learn what you need to know for the exam about Java data types, string APIs, math APIs, and the new date and time types. Before beginning the course, you should already be familiar with some prerequisites that are Java programming language and Java SE8. I hope that you will join me on the journey to learn everything you need to know about some of the major topics in the Java 11 certification exam with the Working with Java Data Types and String APIs course here on my channel Ssquare. Thank you.